Good morning, guys. So, as usual, I'm the first one to wake up. I'm a very early riser. You see the mountains over there? And by the way, they were looking so beautiful at night, under the stars. The snow was just glowing. So, while Gaurav wakes up, or before Gaurav wakes up, I'm just gonna fix all this mess. It's giving me a bit of OCD now. Just look at everything. So just cleaning up the face mask. This is so important, guys. The plan for the day is that we'll take two bikes on rent. The boys are super excited, huh? Both of these guys, they actually know each other through the biking community. They both are like serious bikers, so they're like really excited. Did I wake you up, baby? Okay, that was seriously inconsiderate of me. I kind of just went into a zone packing and not realizing that he needs to sleep, right? Okay, so the deal is that we will be taking two bikes on rent and we'll just travel around the place a little bit. We'll not go too far because it's still very cold for us, especially in the evenings, and the lack of oxygen in the air is so evident, like we can totally feel it. And yeah, let's see how that works out. Also, see my hair, guys. I need to fix my hair. I need to fix my hair, my skin. Yesterday I applied coconut oil before sleeping, and still I woke up with my skin looking so dry and dehydrated. You see, my skin is peeling off again. So this is what I'll be applying to my face now. Face mask with lots and lots of coconut oil. And hopefully this will help with my dry skin because I'm hardly carrying any products. And this is what I'm carrying for my hair, guys. The Wow Skin Science Onion Black Seed Hair Oil, and then of course the shampoo and conditioner from the same range. So the reason I'm carrying this is because, like it's pH balanced. Here I can actually see some dandruff flakes happening on my hair. So this will help with the dandruff, and of course paraben sulfate silicone free formula. I really like it. It makes my hair silky, shiny, and these travel sized packs are like super handy. So guys, done applying the hair oil, and I can scream now because Gaurav is finally awake. So the hair oil, as you can see, very non-sticky, non-greasy. As for my face, guys, so what I'm doing for my face right now, I just cleaned my face with a nice face mask, and now I'm using hyaluronic acid sheet mask. It really helps with dehydrated skin. So hopefully this step should help in fixing the skin peeling issue a little bit.
Truck.
Hello.
You notice?
So guys, we're at this place called Shea Palace. Do you see the walls? I think I can take a really good selfie here. Just a second. Okay, that picture came out really well, no? So we're at this place called Shea Palace. It's a really famous landmark monument here. So gorgeous. Everything here is so beautiful. Even the little puppy that we just met. Cutie. Hi, cutie.
Kawa.
Can I pet you? Can I pet you? Oh, now I miss Lyra.
Kawa. It's closed.
What temple is closed?
That one.
Dude, we came all the way for the temple.
Oh, all the way की बच्ची. तेरे को लगता है तू इतनी सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ के वापस ऊपर आने वाली है?
कोई चांस नहीं है.
Walk and not look at mobile. Easy, huh? But when I ride my Harley at 160, you have a problem. वो तो 60 भी नहीं है.
30 पे भी नहीं था, 60 तो छोड़ दो.
ना सीट है, ना स्पीकर है, not riding.
Okay guys, just ignore the stupid conversation in the background, but seriously look at this. There's this cafe there. Guys, look at that cafe. I think it's open now.
It's ahead only. Oh, then we'll drink something from here. From here. 28 kilometers, 38 minutes.
मुझे ना एकदम कलरफुल चाहिए.
ये ले लो.
वो मैप वाला अच्छा था
ये ले
वैसे.
लो.
There was one white map one also. Do you want to check that out? देखना ये वाला वाला. Actually, the one that Pooja, is that a metal one?
This one? Yeah.
Colonel said, very good you're taking a car. That's why we booked a car. The car was a definite.
So we are heading to meet Gaurav's friend who's a colonel in the army. He's been serving for over 20 years and he's got like amazing stories to tell, and that's always exciting. But I won't be shooting there, guys, because I think that's just disrespectful to the army. It's not good. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Hi, thanks a lot. Bye.
Picture wala truck also go.
Thukpa momo. I would love to have fried momo. You know, hot fried momo.
You're crazy.
Nice.
You're crazy. It's freezing.
You realize that now? Gautam has like single point agenda on this trip. But I support the cause. I definitely support the cause. Even though not actively, I'm definitely
I'm telling you,
supporting.
Gaurav is gonna leave us here and go. He's so tired of us doing this.
He's like, what's wrong with you guys? Can you just get a life and think of something more sensible for a change? Guys, just look at this view. Fraud to matlab next level, but hey, it's his fault, okay? He married me, he made friends with Gautam. Because of that, we also made friends with you. So technically, if you see, it all goes back to Gaurav's fault only. We should use this argument the next time he says something, you know? He's himself gravitating towards people who are full of all these problems.
Anytime Gautam complains, I keep telling him that you had 6 months. You knew I was. You decided to marry me.
It's on you.
Okay, so in December I told him, I was like, see, you still have an option if you want to walk out. Only engagement is over. We still have time for the wedding. So I gave you an option to walk out. You didn't do it.
So we can just sit there, eat, chill. Nice, no? By far the best, most beautiful place to eat I've ever been to. So we have come for some snack shopping because tomorrow is going to be a long, hard day. We may not find foods easily. Thank you. Thank you. So what has just happened is there's a guy who got hurt and I'm so proud of Gautam. He just ran and went to help him. He's an emergency doctor and he didn't even wait a second. I'm so proud of my friends. He's still there. So back in the room, and I'm gonna keep this clip very, very short. As you can see, I'm looking like a zombie, very tired. Need to sleep because tomorrow is a very hectic day. We are going to a place called Nubra Valley. Before that, we are going to Khardungla Pass, which is the highest motorable road in the world. So it is cold, the oxygen levels are even more low. So acclimatization has been done, but I definitely don't want to be foggy brained and tired brained when there is less oxygen coming to my brain. It's the worst kind of combination, right? So just gonna sleep now, lots of rest. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe and turn the bell icon for notifications. I'll be shooting tomorrow's vlog and updating you guys on that too. So yeah, just keep watching.